All right, guys, so we have to take this guy into this pot. So the big tip I can give you is to use a handsaw or reciprocating saw. So let's get to it. All right, guys, that's it. All right, now we got half the root ball reduced. Now the rest of it comes with the use of a fork and a chopstick to reduce the rest. Here we go. Okay, so the next step is just make sure this fits in our pot. We reduced the soil quite immensely, so it should fit this time. And there you go, it does fit. After that, I think I recommend you guys wash the soil off. I use a pressure hose attachment. You can also use air pressure. So let's go ahead and wash this off and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the result of us washing the soil. So you wash all the bark off. And the next step is actually to add some coarse aggregate or coarse pumice on the bottom of your pot. And then fill with your favorite bonsai soil. Set your plant in and see how it positions. All right, let's fill the rest of the bonsai soil into it and chopstick in, and we'll show you the final result of our planting. Okay guys, we're finished. We went from a nursery pot to a bonsai pot in one sitting, and I was able to do all this within my lunchtime. So let's take a look and spin it around. I'm gonna post the initial styling of this bonsai tree I did with my daughter. What's the matter?
Want me to cut some more branches?
Sure, what'd you like to cut?
Tell me, okay?
Okay.
I like these branches.
Okay, we still got to get rid of the leaves though for the winter. But go ahead, let me see. You want to cut this one back to here?
Yeah.
See where the pink buds are? Leave those pink buds, okay?
Yeah. Move your finger.
Move my fingers, got it.
I did not cut the bulbs.
You did not cut the buds?
Yeah.
Good job.
Want me to cut some more branches?
Let's see. Are you doing a pretty good job here?
I cut all the branches off that tree.
You did. Daddy just cut this one by accident, so there. Okay.
Want me to cut some more branches?
Why don't you cut this one shorter?
Okay.
This one shorter and this one shorter.
I need to cut this shoulder too.
Okay. Watch the red buds, okay?
Daddy, it's time to hit my tree.
What am I doing to your tree?
Just trying to make. That's so silly. did not see the bugs.
You did not see the buds?
I did
bugs.
not cut them.
Okay.
When we cut more branches, Daddy,
Sure. What would you like to cut?
I like to cut that branch.
Okay. Cut it shorter. Wherever you want.
Did not snap my finger.
Just watch your fingers, okay? Or else Daddy, Mama's gonna be very mad at Daddy.
Want me to cut some more branches?
How about cut that one shorter?
Yeah, I can do that for you. I need to turn it around.
Okay. You wanna turn it around?
Yeah. So I cut it. No, you missed it.
I missed it.
You missed that cutting.
Okay, watch out.
Pretty cutting.
Watch out, watch out. There you go.
Want me to cut some more branches?
I think you're doing pretty good with that one. Why don't you cut these two shorter while you're at it then? Since you're already there pretty much.
I am.
You're there?
Yet. I need to move these branches. Don't breathe, folks. I do need to cut them. You want me to cut some more branches?
I think you did okay. I think we're done with that one, okay?
No,
Can
we're not.
you remove all the leaves off of it? You think you can pluck all the leaves off? There you go.
Want
that
me to pluck all the leaves off?
Because it's winter time and they tend to lose the leaves, so let's go ahead and just take it off.
How I do this with my scissors?
You can do it with your scissors, yes.
Scissors are really good at cutting.
Yeah.
I'm not. Let me cut the forward, the branches. That's enough for cutting. That's enough for cutting.
Yeah, that's enough cutting. Do you want to...
About to be Halloween. Will the leaves be gone away? Or the wind can blow them away? Or they'll be dead?
yeah.
That's enough cutting.
That's enough cutting. Do you want to work on a different tree?
Just like you to do. I'm cut some to be forgotten. Okay? What's your mom need some more branches on this tree, Daddy?
Okay. All right, let's take a look at this tree, okay?
That's
It's a small
nice.
tree. Let me see. Daddy needs to fix this a little bit here.
Now I'm gonna fix it for you.
Oh, you're gonna fix it for me, but let me just so I can see the trunk a little bit.
I want to cut some more branches.
I know, no cutting branches, just the leaves, okay? Just a little bit of leaves.
You're about to cut yourself.
I'm not gonna cut myself, okay?
Why? I want to cut some branches.
This thing is nice.
Where's name is like.
What would you like to name
Shadow.
it? Sarah?
Yes, Shadow and Duck.
Hey, this is starting to look pretty nice, little thing. Look at this. What do you think?
I don't like that.
You don't like this one? I think you picked it out, actually, but okay. All right, Izzy, see how these little things sticks out? Why'd you cut those? Give it a little trim. Oh, that's a little bit too much. That's too much. That's too much.
You want me to cut some more branches?
Yeah, just go ahead and cut these a little bit.
I want to cut these branches a little bit.
Just a little bit, please.
Want me to cut some more branches? Daddy?
Just the leaves, Izzy, not the branch itself, okay?
I don't want to cut some branches.
You want to cut some branches?
Yeah.
I don't have anything that you can cut the branches right now. We're still growing a lot of our trees, okay? Next year we'll start propagating more so you guys can cut more, okay?
That's so nice. We need to feed the planet some food.
Not right now. It's pretty cold. Wait until it heats up a little bit more, and we can go ahead and feed it some more food. We will. Daddy will keep feeding it.
I can keep things with you.
Yeah.
I only can leaf off. Cause you're not showing the leaves. You're not showing the branches on the tree. I don't want the be winter. I don't want the tree to. I don't want the snow. I don't want it to be the winter. I don't want to cut it a lot.
Yeah, we don't try to cut a lot in the wintertime, Izzy. It's not really good.
Just cut a little bit.
Okay. Good job, Izzy.
It's not like when you say no, cut the branches.
How you doing there, Izzo?
Not good.
Not good? Okay. I'll be there in a second to help you, okay?
I'm cutting a little bit.
Cutting a little bit.
This one, cut some branches. This kind of leaf for you.